All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So creed, 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 a religious belief system. So let's try and get a religious belief system. Yeah, like this perhaps. Or let's say here we are. There we are. Let's check it. Very good. Yeah. So religious belief system. So the rules that a religion may have. The rules of a religion. Not necessarily religion, but the rules of a way of life. The rules of a way of life. Yeah. He follows a different creed. Yeah. This creed is more forgiving. Our creed is easier. Yeah. I have followed this creed for years. It is a creed for all people. They want to change their creed. Yeah, it is too hard of a life, too difficult. Yeah. She knows what kind of creed she wants. She wants in life. He does not want to follow that creed. He does not want to follow that creed. Yeah, no thank you. So those creeds have more rules. So some creeds have more rules than others. Makes sense, yeah. This creed is easier to follow. Okay? So that creed has changed a lot over the years. So the rules and creed has changed a lot since it was founded. I'm learning more about that creed. Yeah, so that creed is very interesting, and I am fascinated how people can follow it. How and why people follow it. Yeah. There might be more creeds in the future. So over time, more creeds have been started and came into existence. Yeah. Over the course of human history, there have been a lot of creeds and followings. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, creed. Very good. Yeah. We welcome all creeds here. Yes, we welcome all creeds here. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use creed in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, let's keep exploring.